All right, let's put some strings in our main. We'll just do string A is app and string B, let's say cat. String C is, let's go art. Okay. Now, all compareTo does is tell you which word comes first in the dictionary. Okay. That's all it does. If I go a.compareTo B, it'll be negative if app comes before cat in the dictionary. And it does, right? It does. The way it exactly works is not part of AP Comp Sci curriculum. You don't need to know that what it's really doing is taking 97 minus 99, getting a negative 2, and therefore it's a negative. All you have to know is it positive, negative, or 0? It'd be 0 if they were equal. Maybe I'll do one more string, D equals app again. Okay, so I think everyone knows that this would be negative 2. But all you have to know is that it's negative because app is before cat in the dictionary. Of course, it's positive the other way around. When you're comparing cat to app, cat is after app in the dictionary. It'd be 99 minus 97, a positive 2. But again, all we care about is positive or negative. The AP exam will never care what the exact number is. Now, it doesn't start and stop at just the first letter. Look at string A and string C. It's not going to say they're equal because app and art are not the same word. It'll tell you that app comes before art in the dictionary because P is before R. So if the first letter is the same, it keeps on going and checking throughout. So app comes before art, so again, negative, positive. We never care anymore what the exact number is. The AP exam does not care what the exact number is. Okay. And of course, A dot compared to D or D dot compared to A is 0 because they are the exact same string. Okay. Now, I'm not trying to be mean or patronize you, but just in case, guys, just in case back in elementary school you were not paying attention, let me do one more example. String E equals apple. Let's compare strings D and E, app and apple. I think everyone knows this, but I didn't teach you how to use the dictionary. Somebody else did in elementary school. Okay? App comes before apple in the dictionary. Think you know that, but again, I don't know what elementary school is exactly like. I can't say that for sure. So app is before apple. Now, this will probably wake up the A+ students for a minute, because I don't think they know what this does. I don't think. But all you have to know is the first one's negative and the second one's positive. What number it is? I don't know. We're going to find out and discover how it works. Okay? It compares the A in app to the A in apple, and then goes on. It compares the P to the P, the P to the P, and then there's nothing else in D to compare to the last two in apple. So what's it going to do? Take 0 minus L? What's L? Probably around 16 or so in the alphabet? I don't know. Whatever. What's it going to do? Well, let's try and figure it out. Let's run it. What am I doing? Wrong one. Sorry. compareTo. It gives me -2 again and +2. Maybe you get it. Maybe you don't. Let's do another string. String F equals application. And compare D and F now. It's not -2 and 2 anymore. Now it's -8. How do you get a -8? The next letter is L still, right? So it has nothing to do with the L, or else it'd be the same thing, right? Apple, the next letter is L. Application, the next letter is L. So 2 and 8 must have nothing to do with L. But what it has to do with is the remaining length of the string. It has to return something positive or negative, and the people that invented Java decided to make it the difference of the length of the strings. You don't care about that. It's neat to know, sure, it's cool, whatever. But all we have to know is negative or positive. That's all we care about. Do you understand app comes before application in the dictionary? That's all I ask of you. That's all the AP exam demands of you. Okay? Now, with that said, if they give you a string that's all capitals, like capital A, P, P, or even just the first letters of capital, okay? Then it'll probably give you a hint on the AP exam and remind you that the ASCII codes for uppercase are less than the ASCII codes for lowercase, right? This A here is 65, and this A up here is 97. So Java is going to put uppercase letters first in the dictionary. Okay, so we prove that by saying what? D and G now? And so that'll be positive 32 and negative 32. 65 and 97 are 32 apart. What did I screw up? I put D and G. G here. That's all I can think of that we ever have to know about compareTo for the AP exam. I know it's hard to ignore this number, and I know you probably would feel more comfortable understanding where the numbers come from, and you can understand it. It's a difference in ASCII codes if you're comparing letters. If one word is longer than the other, then it's comparing length, like in those right there.